Welcome to Preparing a Course Plan in MOODLE module of Web 2.0 curriculum. In this module, you will learn how to prepare a basic online course plan, what an LMS or learning management system is, and why MOODLE is the most popular LMS. The manual will lead you through the process of course creation, from setting a course schedule to creating an assessment. Then you will learn how to administer users of your platform. The last chapter is dedicated to several tips that will boost the attractiveness of your course. To check how much you remember from the presentation, there's a self-assessment test at the end. MOODLE is an LMS that provides a collaborative learning-centered environment to promote effective teaching and learning. It allows you as a teacher to fully customize your own course plan, create activities, and assess and communicate with your learners. It's very simple, it's flexible, and it's secure, and can be used anytime on any device in 120 languages, all for free. It's backed by a strong community and updated regularly. The theoretical part of this module will take about 2 hours and the practical part about 6, depending on the content of your course. Methodologies that can be incorporated into your module may include lecturing, discussion, group work, question and answer, or project-based learning. Assessment can include a written test or quiz, teacher evaluation, or a project-based activity, for example. In this module, participants will learn to understand why and how to prepare a course plan online, will be able to explain the role of learning management systems, will understand the main features of MOODLE, and most important, will be able to create a course in MOODLE, prepare a course plan, and customize it. The main reason to prepare an online course plan is to enable quality distant teaching and learning for your students. An online course plan is primarily designed for self-study because your students can access teaching material 24/7 through their devices. As you know, the more senses that are involved, the better the material is remembered, so don't hesitate to upload pictures, videos, or other links from internet sources. LMS is a learning management system that generally provides tools for communication, sharing, and storage of teaching materials for evaluation and for lesson planning. It's good for the students because they can self-assess without the teacher's input, and they can also access any material on any device on the go. The most popular LMS with more than 100 million users all over the world is MOODLE. It's appreciated mainly because of its strong community and pedagogical design, and because it's free and easy to use. It has a simple interface, drag and drop features, and well-documented resources. It's open source, so it can be customized in any way. And last but not least, it's available in 126 different languages. At a school or in a company, a MOODLE server is operated by either an internal IT specialist or an external provider who will give you your login name and password so you can create and administer courses. Before enrolling students, you need to create their profiles. Go to Site Administration in the menu on the left. Click on Users, then in the Accounts section, choose Add a new user and fill in the required fields. It's very user-friendly. Now we can create a course. In Site Administration, click on Courses and choose Add a new course. Enter full and short course names, add a description, a photo of anything you want, and click Save and Display. Now it's time to add yourself as the manager. In the course, click on Participants on the left menu and Enroll Users. Enter your name in the pop-up window and choose Manager from the drop-down menu. Then click on Enroll Users. Now we're ready to prepare a course plan. It's a good idea to set a course schedule first because courses inside MOODLE should have some kind of a reasonable structure for students to follow. The structure can be oriented to a topic or a time period, but in many cases it's a combination of the two. Calendar is widely used for the course orientation and scheduling and gives a vivid overview of different types of events that are connected to the course schedule. To add events or activities to the calendar, click on New Event and specify it. For longer events, click on Show More and include a from and until date. For example, Introduction to the course from May 1st to May 8th. The schedule can also be seen in a monthly view on the right. Now let's go back to the course. It will be divided into lessons or topics that you can see in the menu on the right. To change the name of the lessons, click on Edit next to your lesson on the left. Apart from changing the name of the lesson or topic, you can also provide its summary. Here, you can also add rules for restricted access based on date, grade, or profile. Now it's time to create the most important part of your lesson, tasks and activities. Click on Add an Activity or Resource next to your lesson or topic on the right and choose from a variety of activities or tasks. It can be assignment, choice, feedback, lesson, quiz, survey, or other options. You can also add more lessons in each topic. First, choose Lesson and click on Add. In the new window, you can set up the individual features. For example, in General, you add the name of the lesson and its description, while in Appearance, you can configure the lesson design. Other features include availability, load control, grade, common module settings, restrict access, activity completion, tags, and competencies. As you can see, you can adapt each lesson to your needs. Uploading materials for your students is really easy, and it's only up to you what attractive material your lesson will contain. Click on Add an Activity or Resource next to your lesson or topic on the right. This time, choose Resources and upload a book, file, folder, label, page, or URL. For each lesson, you can determine the rules of assessment. In the grade section, you can set points or a scale to evaluate the result, a passing grade, a training lesson, and the possibility of retakes. Apart from evaluating the lesson, you can also set an evaluation of the whole course. To do that, click on the setting icon on the right and choose Course Completion. It consists of specifying what criteria must be met to successfully complete the course. The most common form of assessment is a quiz. Click on Add an Activity or Resource and choose Quiz. Fill in the name and description of the quiz, specify other parameters like timing, grade, and attempts, layout, question behavior, review options, overall feedback, etc. And confirm by clicking Save and return to the course. Now you need to add the content. Click on the quiz and then Edit Quiz. In the upper right corner, edit the maximum grade based on your questions. To create tasks for an assessment, click on Add and a new question. You can choose from a variety of question types from the list, such as true, false, multiple choice. A big time saver for the future is that you can keep all your questions in a question bank, so you don't have to add a new one every time, and you can just choose from the bank. Congratulations! Now you know how to create an online course. There are a few tips on this slide on how to administer users of your platform. To view and edit your users, log into your administrator account. Just remember that before you enroll students into your course, they have to have an account on your platform. If you haven't done it yet, refer to slide 9. In Moodle, users can have different roles. A role defines what a user can do on the site. A basic role is Manager, which is an administrative role. A next role is Course Leader, who can do almost anything within a course, including editing course settings, adding or changing activities, and grading students. As a non-editing teacher, students can participate in course activities and view resources but cannot alter them or see the class gradebook. They can see their own grades as the teacher can. You can also log in as a guest and have read-only access. Apart from these basic roles, you can customize the roles according to your needs and allow different roles for different sites. Perfect. Here are just a few tips to make your courses even more engaging and interactive, because motivating your students is crucial. Tip number 1, don't be afraid to use multimedia in a creative way. Use catchy videos and attractive visuals. Tip number 2, add badges that students can unlock to celebrate an achievement and show progress. Tip number 3, focus on a mobile design. Your students can access the lesson on their smartphones, so it's better to use shorter bits of text. Organize live classes so your lessons are more interactive. Don't forget to include real-life scenarios so that students know that what they are learning is of practical use. Make sure to provide clear and consistent instructions for quizzes and assignments. And as one last tip, be visually consistent. Try to use similar types of text, icons, and visuals in your lessons. Although Moodle can do the automatic evaluation for you, it's always nice to give personalized feedback to your learners with a short video or audio. Also, don't forget to encourage your learners to collaborate with each other, as this fosters relationships and makes your online course more attractive and interactive. Thank you for your attention and good luck with your amazing online courses.